We share 98% of our DNA with chimpanzees. So, what does that tiny 2% actually explain? And what does it say about our future? Jared Diamond's The Third Chimpanzee argues that humans aren't separate from the animal kingdom. We are the animal kingdom, just one of three chimpanzee species walking the planet. Diamond traces how a small genetic gap gave rise to language, art, culture, and civilization, but also genocide, environmental destruction, and the potential for self annihilation. He explores sexual selection, the roots of drug use, the mystery of aging, and why first contact between unequal civilizations almost always ends in catastrophe. This is also the book that planted the seeds for his later masterworks, Guns, Germs, and Steel, and Collapse, making this book somewhat of a blueprint. This book was originally published back in 1991, and some of the genetics here have been superseded. In recent prints of the book, Diamond's updated PS section helps bridge some of the scientific advances since first publication. But the gene centered view of evolution that has dominated biology since Dawkins is occasionally underweighted. Still, the big ideas hold up, and the warnings about environmental collapse and human self destruction feel more urgent than ever these days, not less. It's provocative, wide ranging, and kind of funny at times, and many say this is the one Jared Diamond book you should read. I enjoyed it, but actually, I'm a bigger fan of Guns, Germs, and Steel, although that book is not perfect either. Recommend!